Let me show you how to join Robinhood Gold. Welcome back everyone to a new tutorial video on how to join. In this video, I'm just going to show you how you can join the Robinhood Gold plan. Now before we dive into that, we'll first of all take a look at what is actually Robinhood Gold. Robinhood Gold is a premium subscription for Robinhood users that will cost you about $5 per month or $50 per year, which has a 30-day free trial for you to test it out. Now this card or this plan is perfect for active investors, but it includes margins or options which carry high risks. A few benefits of Robinhood Gold are high cash yields, 3% on your IRA match, margin trading, etc. If you want to know if it is worth it or not, you can just get a 30-day free trial to test it out for yourself. So if you search up Robinhood Gold, you're going to be taken to this page and you just need to tap on get started. This way it's going to take you to the app of Robinhood. Make sure that the app is installed and you are also logged in. So once you tap on get started, it's going to open up the app, which will take you to the gold section inside of the Robinhood app. You just need to enter in your card details or even use the linked bank accounts to cover the subscription after the trial ends. So that was the video about the way that you join the Robinhood Gold. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.